Hello everyone, Amy Wilbanks here with Textile Fabric Consultants. Our company was established in 1981 with the creation of the basic textile swatch kit, and this kit remains the backbone of our product line. Over the past 40 years, it has been used in hundreds of classrooms internationally. With 126 fabrics, it is the most comprehensive kit in our product line. The swatches are arranged in mounting order and built on textile concepts, starting with fiber examples and progressing through weaves, knits, non-wovens, composite fabrics, finishes, and dye print methods. The stock kit includes the swatches, the binder, the mounting sheets and master list, tape, pin, and a stitch counter. Many instructors customize the kit by adding the yarn samples packet and/or the fiber samples packet. Some instructors request that we remove the master list so that students can study the fabrics as they learn textile concepts. The basic textile swatch kit is very flexible for different teaching methods and includes many extra resources for instructors, such as a detailed instructor manual, a PowerPoint presentation, questions and answers about the swatches, a swatch mounting tutorial video, and a laboratory manual. If you have questions about the product or would like to preview a swatch kit, please contact us using the information on the screen. Thank you.